eat them. Anyways, so recently I didn't even upload it, but I did a video about how I make my coffee, and I use the French press, but I'm too lazy for that. I hate mornings. I don't want to do all that stuff. So I went and got a Keurig. Convenient, fast. This is a mini Keurig. It is a dusty rose color, which is kind of a pinkish. At least that's what I was told. It has a 1 cup reservoir, so you have to refill it with water each time. It makes up 6 to 12 ounce coffee cups. Brews fast, fits anywhere. It is less than 5 inches wide, and I think that's it. Anyways, so about to open it. Alright, so instructions, which you probably won't use. I don't know what that card is for. Instructions. And I'm about to pull out the machinery, hopefully without breaking anything on the counter. I want this to come out. Where is a man when I need him? Just kidding. Don't need one. Okay. Anyways, alright, so pulling off the styrofoam stuff that feels like egg crates. Ow! Alright, and it's wrapped in this, like, plastic. Oh, what would you call this? Ow! God damn it. That hurt. It's wrapped in, like, this thick plastic. It almost feels like bubble wrap without the bubbles. And here we are. Okay. This is a tiny machine. Look at that. That's where the cups go. The K-cups, I mean. And this is where your cup goes. And this is where the water goes. How do you open it? Uh-oh. Do I squeeze it? Oh, I hope that was supposed to come off. The water goes in the back, you guys. There's the 1 cup reservoir I was talking about. Refill each time. I want to wipe it. Let me wipe this down. I'm trying to get that. I really got that thing going around right now. Alright. Oh! That was just so smart. Right? Alright. Another one. I just wasted the Clorox wipes. Ooh, wiping it down, wiping it down. Don't go wrong, don't go wrong. Wiping it down, wiping it down. Oh, this ain't supposed to come off. See, it just flaps up. Alright. Now, putting it in this corner. The plug is in the back here, so untaping. And for some reason I just stuck the tape on the counter. And how do I get this thing to stand? Oh, okay. You gotta yank on it. Can I oh my god. Let's get a coffee cup. Christmas or not? I don't know. What is this one? This a Christmas one?
Yeah, with a snowman.
Oh, well, it's Christmas, you guys. It's Christmas.
What?
Okay. Opening. Oh, y'all. Okay, let me scoot this forward so y'all can see. There we go. Alright, finna open the reservoir here. La 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 la. Pouring in. How much is a cup? Okay, these bottles are about 12 ounces. So that should be okay. Oh, we need a K-cup. So, I bought some, but I have some already open as well. Like, I have a few that my friend gave me. My friend Brooke, she wanted me to try some. But I know these are definitely dark roast, so I'm going to go with the ones that are already open. I drink my coffee black, so let's go with this. See how it goes. Alright, so I'm going to flip the little thingamabobber up. Goes in like this. You see the little, what would I call that? Spike, I guess. You see the little spike that is supposed to penetrate to the K-cup to allow the water to go through it? Oh, well, that just happened. All right, so that's closed, and I'm about to slam this down.
12 seconds later.
Now it's doing something.
Press the button, I guess.
Oh, there we go. Something's happening. Uh-oh, here comes something. Yay! I don't know what I did. I hope this is a 6-ounce cup or 12 or something. What if it's too small?
You have to pull that thing up. It's coming out by like the tiniest little strands.
One eternity later.
And there's my coffee. Now the taste test. Ooh, that's pretty hot. Ooh. That's a good coffee. Yay. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go enjoy my dark roast. Nice and hot. Need to wake up anyways. Hope everyone's well. Like and subscribe if you're feeling the bed. Love you guys. Peace.
Speech off.
Okay guys, I'm in Target bathroom right now. I am about to go and get Naima something. It's a surprise. And I'm about to wash my hands. And I have a mask on because, yeah, COVID-19. Coronavirus. Ew. Okay.
Yes, it's very dark outside, but this is a video of Naima right after we got the kitty, and we are in the Uber.
Automatic. It's saying level, like I see something. Aww. She's like, I want my mommy back. She is so little. What? What? She's black and white?
Her bottom is white.
Oh, but the most of her is black. Her face is black?
Yeah.
Oh.
Her chin is white.
Minnie got her kitty. We just got back. She's in there. Oh, you're holding her?
No,
Or
I'm
is
about
she in
to
there?
hold her. Oh, let me turn my phone off.
She's about to pick her up for the first time. Be careful, she's little. Oh, hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. So we're back at Target. They're about to close, but we're getting kitty stuff like a liner, a litter box, a liner for the box, the litter. Most of these things don't have prices on them for some reason. Little toys. Oh, we need to get gosh, a collar.
Drink your water.
She's down now.
I'm giving a shadow a little bit.
Sorry.
Oh, are you hungry?
First good news at WrestleMania in a brutal ladder match. We retained our SmackDown Tag Team Championship.
Him, he's like, you seen our SmackDown Championship.
You little kitty food. Alright, I'm gonna be rude.
Ow.
Because I'm gonna put this down and put her in it so she can eat. Just take this off. Or should I just put her in the basket thing right here and let her eat?
No, put her in the cage, take the top off.
No, put her. Where's the other towel?
What other towel? Oh, it's in the...
Yeah, I think I'm gonna put her in here.
Okay. Be careful. Get the towel out of the box.
What the No, there's foil in here. How'd that happen?
Huh?
There's foil in there. You got it? Because I could just pull this one through.
No, I got it.
That same nightmare. Better engine than us? Yeah. That's good news. We have a new Universal Champion in Braun Strowman. And our champion actually makes it to almost
Where are you going?
Going to the bag.
No. Eat your food out your bowl.
Okay. Who's calling?
Who?
Mina.
Mm-hmm. Why is she so thirsty?
Now she's just walking around.
Where are you going?
I got her. She's just... What you doing? Oh, she's sniffing the bowl. You can't have none of that candy. Hey. Hey, Katie. What are you doing?
I'm so mad. I so could have just used that cage.
No, come on. You can't do that.
Come on.
There you go.
You're gonna jump off the counter.
Yeah, it's too
You
high
can't
for
jump off
you.
the counter, silly.
She's trying to go back. She's going towards the couch. You can't.
Sure, I can jump on that.
It's too crowded up there, though.
Let's put you in the litter box. See what you do.
I want to do that.
Here.
Wait, here, take the phone.
Okay. He's not eating it, is he?
No. She's just flopping around.
What do you mean, like rolling?
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
It's cute.
Kitty, can you relieve yourself? You haven't gone yet.
There she is.
She's
all licking herself.
No.
She's saying, oh, there she goes. You can see her eyes really well right there. Here, I'll see the phone.
And despite that positive outlook, work continues to
Kitty.
increase hospital bed capacity across
Right there.
California.
Oh, what you doing? She's cleaning herself. He's silly.
Returning to normal on the minds of federal officials.
Oh, she sees herself. She's like,
She's like, who is that? Is she gonna touch it?
oh, yeah, just put your claw in my shirt. Yeah. Oh, she's licking. Oh, she biting my shirt.
I think she's asleep. Is she asleep?
Yeah.
Oh, she's asleep under my boob. And you know, that's why I got my arm cuffed like this, because I think when they're little, like even with puppies, they burrow to the middle. They fight for like the middle, so it feels like she has a, you know, one of her siblings on each side, or mommy on one side and a sibling on the other. Yeah, because that's what they be feeling for. They want to feel like warmth or whatever on each side of them.
If you guys have any name suggestions, please leave them in the comments. We need your help figuring out a name, so please put some in the comments. Thank you.
Yeah.